Hi, my name is Harvette Riedberg, and today is March 2nd, 2018. And this is week 8, and it's the final week of the Bio 230 course. So, yay! I have to say it's been very challenging, and seems like this 8 weeks have gone by so super slow, but I'm making the best of it and getting through it, even though there's been a lot going on in my life, and through adversity, I'm making it. Prayer and faith has been my weapon, that's for sure. So, but let's talk about the cow's eye this week. Did the dissection this evening, and yeah, it was kind of interesting and gross. That I didn't enjoy it, I have to admit. But I have a few shots here, and right here is the. Oh, that's weird. That's the anterior view of the eye. And then my second one is the posterior view. That's my name tag right here. But my video got deleted, but I'm glad I have the pictures. How can you see that? Okay, well, okay, this is bad. This is the lateral aspect of the eye. Lateral aspect of the eye. The fourth slide is, I'm showing here on this one how thick the fat and the muscle tissue was, and it was very plentiful, and it took a while to get it off. This is it after it's kind of taken off. And the sixth and the seventh slide is showing the cutting through the anterior aspect of the pupil through the lens. It was kind of thick, and getting through it was kind of tough. This is the inside of the eye. This is the thick, clear, aqueous humor. There's my nameplate. Comes through like that. And let's see here. Okay, so here I'll show my nameplate again. Okay, so here's the eye opened up, and here we see the virtuous humor, the thick jelly-like substance that helps the eye get the shape, the eyeball give its shape. There's also the bluish-green substance that's there observed. It's called the tapetum. It reflects light from the back of the eye. The optic nerve was seen on the posterior side of it. It was kind of thick, and it felt like flexible cartilage to me. Then you see the aqueous humor there, and that's the jelly-like clear substance that helps the cornea keep its round shape. Also, the pupil. The cow's pupil is unique because it's oval, and the human pupil is round. The cornea is there. It helps protect the eye. The light passes through the cornea, and it bends to make an image. And then the lens finishes the job. So, to say the least, I did not enjoy this week's project, and I was actually kind of glad it was the end. I'm trying to let you see my nameplate here. That's it right there. This is bad. Okay, there's another picture I have there, and we were wait, let me see here. On this picture, I can't even show, but the pupil here was so hard and couldn't squeeze it. It was just very thick and hard. That is the end of my project. I have some more pictures here. It was kind of gross. I made a video of it, but the video was even cut down to 4 minutes exactly. And then when I went to upload it, the whole thing it deleted itself. Then I uploaded it again, and it deleted totally. I will try to find that though. Okay, that's it. Thank you. hope this doesn't do it.